in cooperation with the local government. Local government support these people. Yeah, I don't want to use the word blessing, but in cooperation, good cooperation.
Yes.
That's the point.
Yeah. With the demonstrators, I heard that they are paid to demonstrate. In your view, do the demonstrators really believe in what they are saying? Do they genuinely oppose the church, or are they just doing it because they're paid?
I met with some of the demonstrators, and I asked them. They don't know for what they come here. The important point, they receive money and take the money and then forget it. After finishing the demonstration, then go back to their home.
Right.
That's a simple.
Yeah.
That's the fact. But yeah, this demonstration, was designed by the leader.
The leader of the local government.
Local government. They don't want, fight directly, to the Yasmin community. One point. But because 2 weeks ago, Satpol PP, we call Satpol PP is the local police, civil local police. The authority only under this area fight each other to the Yasmin, and at the moment we say we blame them. But now they try to support this, the demonstrator to protest us. Why we use the street for the Sunday morning activities? We say because you lock our gate, we could not enter the gate.
But one thing is they do provide the police. Yeah. If the police was not provided by the local government, it would be a big fight. Maybe you can explain that.
Or maybe you need to explain how is the position of police.
Yeah,
This kind of.
this is very interesting. I have to say that we call in bahasa Indonesia Kapolres Bogor, Kapolresta Bogor. That's the chief of the police district Bogor. The former. The name is Mr. Bowo. Yeah, the former one. At the moment, the police is very repressive to the Yasmin community. But maybe 4 months ago, around 4 months ago, the chief police for district location is already changed by the name is Pak Hilman. Hilman said because the right of religion, that's the non-derogable rights, then it's not under authority of the policy, to blame the Yasmin community. They have their own rights.
So basically, what you're saying is they don't have to follow the mayor of Bogor. They are independent.
Explicitly, they don't say like that, but we try to examine what their policy at the moment. But in the newspaper, the Hilman said, police has no authority to blame the Taman Yasmin, GKI Yasmin.
This is only for the right to worship or also to building?
They don't talk about the building because he said building is not my business.
Right.
Building license, it belongs to the
city,
to the local government.
Yeah, local government.
The important point is the police. They don't want there will be fight each other from the groups, against the Yasmin and the community Yasmin. It's different.
So the mayor in 2001, okay, Up to today, is the same mayor?
The same man.
The same. Does he
same.
get elected or is he's
Yeah, they elected.
elected every
5 years.
5 years?
So he start as a mayor here 2003 up to 2008, and the second period 2008 up to 2013. So this is the second period for him.
Yeah.
So I will try continue my explanation related to the police. So now, under the authority of Pak Hilman, he said, as I already explained, and on the other side, the people who against the church building said to the police, why police maybe their position it seems to be support the GK Yasmin.
Right.
He said no, we don't support GK Yasmin. We try to make sure there's no accident,
no violence.
no violence between the GK Yasmin and the people who are against the church. That's the position of the police. Now, but it's different
Yes.
for when the former the chief of the police district here. So maybe it's good idea if you try to interview the Pak Hilman.
The current one. The current.
The
current one.
Oh, the
new one. Yeah,
The new one, right.
The new one, because he's the chief. He's the chief of the local district police here since maybe, if I'm not wrong, 4 or 5 months ago.
So okay, the mayor is the same mayor, but
Different policy.
different policy. What happened? Why?
That's the political reasoning.
Explain to me, because a lot of our watcher may not understand what political.
As I already explained that 2003 up to 2008, this mayor supported by the 2 political party. That's we call it Golkar Party and PDIP Party. At the moment, this is the nationalist political party, and you know, his policy also influenced by the political party which introduced at the moment. But for the second period, the mayor he cooperates with the Muslim party. That's the PKS. We call it Partai Keadilan Sejahtera. I don't know how to translate it bahasa. You know it, yeah? PKS. The vice mayor from this party. And based on our information, they have agreement. You know, they have agreement how to manage the growth of the church in this area. They have appointment internally that zero growth church. This is very stupid. How we could understand zero growth church policy? Because Christian community year, by and by, we could not stop the population growth of this Christian population. It's very stupid. This is the political policy. This in the local government. On the other side, there are some Muslim leader, this extreme Muslim leader. They use this one, the Muslim leader extreme, to formulate how to apply this policy.
What I don't understand, is that you already got approval by the Supreme Court, the highest court in the land.
Yeah.
But it sounds like the local law prevail.
We are the same. I could understand also. I am doctor in law.
Yes.
I am the extra staff in National Commission of Human Rights. I am the extra staff in National Human Rights Commission in Jakarta.
Yeah.
I am a teacher. I am a lecturer. I mean,
So what happened?
The system, the problem, sir.
it's very strange.
It's strange. The president even say this is not right, right?
Even the head of the Supreme Court, Constitutional Supreme Court, the Constitutional Court in Jakarta, Pak Mahfud, Professor Mahfud MD said, this is very stupid.
But they have no power.
So
No power.
on the other side, you could read in our Constitution, Article 1.2, Indonesia is the rule of law. But in fact, there is no rule of law.
Yes. Yes.
In Parliament, in the Central Parliament, the member of Parliament said, the major is very stupid. You know,
But usually,
this major against the law.
Yes.
But how they could respond to it?
Could they not take legal action against the mayor for being in contempt of court or?
This is the administrative legal process.
Yeah.
This the weaknesses from the administrative legal process. But you know, we have ombudsman institution. If there's a public services policy like this is not comply with the legal procedure, then we could complain it to the ombudsman institution. Ombudsman try to investigate the fact, and ombudsman say, ombudsman blame the major. You are on the wrong side. You against the law. You do the administrative policy. But you know, the major said, just forget it. That's the recommendation. It's not important for me. I have authority. I have power. Then last week, this institution sent letter to the president and the parliament. You know, in the letter they say, based our investigation, that's the local government, Bogor city, especially the mayor, was not follow the legal recommendation from ombudsman.
Oh, you forget to tell, sir, that he say he follow, but again he issue another law.
Yeah,
He just,
you know, yeah, I try to add this point. We bring the letter to the ombudsman. This is also the object of investigation of the ombudsman, and ombudsman tried to to investigate the substance of the letter. Also, this letter we brought to the Supreme Court. We called it the opinion, legal opinion. We called it in bahasa Indonesia fatwa from the Supreme Court, legal opinion. Sure, give us please your opinion to the last letter. The Supreme Court said no. The major has to follow our decision. That's already final and binding. But this is the court. The court could not execute the decision because the administrative court is different with the criminal decision.
Yeah.
If the criminal decision is very simple,
Yeah.
just bring the man, enter it to the jail, finish. It's different with the administrative decision. It's clear, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
The last one last week, because the major, against the Supreme Court decision, against the ombudsman's recommendation. Then the ombudsman say, my president, your excellency, my excellency as president,